Hi guys, good morning. Ronald Borinis here. Decided to do a vlog nung ginagawa kong bus. It's a gaming bus. Binili ko to last month. Decided to convert it into a gaming bus. As you can see, napinturahan na siya. I'll be showing pictures or video clips nung hindi pa siya napinturahan, nung before pa namin siya bilihin. I'll be showing you the inside of the bus. I'll be doing the renovations inside. So natanggal ko na lahat ng upuan and lahat ng laman. And here's the inside of the bus. And pasensya na sa kalat. And here's the inside of the bus. So far, ang nagawa ko pa lang, yan, dati nang may plywood, mukhang half-inch plywood yung nandyan. Pininturahan ko lang ng primer and sealer. And then, the plan is to put like maybe 5 TV. Planning to put a small arcade sa dulo. And then bench on this side. Or maybe the other way around. Dito yung bench. Doon ang mga TV. And then I'm planning to put like PS5s, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. This is for like birthday parties ng mga bata or for any events. I'm planning to put karaoke too para marentahan ng mga gustong mag-karaoke. This is the inside. I'll be showing clips of the bus. Nung before namin binili, meron yung this was, nung binili ko to, yung may-ari, planano niyang i-convert into a camper. So dati may kama dun sa likod. And then may parang sofa, may dining table. Tinanggal ko yung lahat. And the big thing about this bus, I want to use this whole year round. So it needs to be insulated properly. So, dito, ang gagawin ko today is bumili ako ng insulation. Lalagyan ko ito ng rigid foam insulation. Half-inch lang kasi medyo yung height ko is limited. Like, I only have like 6 foot height clearance. So, I want to preserve yung height. So, magdadagdag ako ng half-inch rigid foam and then another half-inch or 3/4 inch na plywood. And then, I'm not decided yet kung anong finish floor ang gagamitin ko, finish floor material I mean, but I'm thinking it would be rubber or vinyl flooring. Give you a tour of the outside. A graffiti artist went here to do the outside of the bus. You can see I have gaming characters. I have Ryu. I forgot the name of this one. Angry Bird character. Sonic the Hedgehog. Luigi. And sa likod, hindi nyo makita, may mga gaming controllers dyan. Xbox, PS5. The name of the business is Gaming Cruiser. And here's the other side of the bus. There's this Minecraft, Pac-Man, Halo character, Mario, and some Among Us characters over there. Minecraft characters. And follow along sa channel, and then I will update you sa mga magiging renovations dito. And one more thing, medyo may problema to sa makina or sa transmission. I think someone will be coming here today to drain the diesel. It's been sitting on the yard when binili namin to. So I'm thinking the problem I'm having right now is hirap siyang mag-accelerate. So I'm thinking it's because of an old diesel fuel. So someone will be coming today to drain the diesel fuel. Hopefully, yun ang problema. Pag hindi, then maybe it will be the clutch or the brake. So, and one more thing, sa bus, ang mga old school bus, meron silang heater sa likod. Yun, yung kulay itim doon sa likod. Pupunta ako doon. Usually, sa mga nagko-convert ng school bus, tinatanggal nila to. Yung mga nagko-convert ng school bus, hindi for gaming business. Ito, it's for gaming business. So, I'm thinking that will stay. Yung iba, pinuputol nila yung linyang yan. So, that one will stay. Pwede pa siguro magamit yan. Right. The bench will be here. Ilalim ko na lang yan sa bench. And then, maglalagay pa ako ng ibang heater. Dito, decided to use diesel heater kasi mas mura and mas mabilis siya magpainit. So the walls, i-insulate ko rin yan. I'll be putting framing here, and then I'm planning to spray foamed it. And then the ceiling, same thing. No, I was planning to remove this part here, pero anong nakita ko, insulated na yung ceiling. Pero I'm planning to put extra insulation here. Maybe just on top of this metal panel. This is the front of the bus. And wala pa akong gaanong plano here. Pero papagandahin ko rin yan. Papalitan ko ng upuan. And yeah, and yung flooring din dyan, hindi ko pa rin alam kung anong gagawin ko, pero papagandahin ko rin yan. And AC, so para magamit ko sa summer, I'm planning to put an RV AC or an air conditioning unit sa ceiling, isa lang. Hopefully kayanin na. So the TVs will be here. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it for now. Try to subscribe to my channel and then para updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos kung anong mangyayari dito sa gaming school bus or the gaming cruiser gaming bus. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye.